So far we are done with the getting the student and updating the student. Now we just want to see how we can delete the student. So for that we'll go back to our code again. So see, again we don't need to do anything to this URL, so it will be handled automatically. And views.py, let's write an elif here. Let's add request.method is equal to delete. Then what we need to do, we need to simply delete the student. Delete the student dot delete. Okay, so once we run the delete function on this student object, then we can simply return a response. Then we can just say status is equal to status dot http 204 no content. Okay, after deleting the object there will be no content. Okay, so that's how you return the status for deleting the object. And once this is done, the last thing that we need to do is we need to simply set this delete method, right? We need to accept all of these three methods: get, put and delete. Okay, so everything will be handled in a single function. Okay, so now let's go back and refresh, or let's say 2, right? So here you can see we have got the delete button, right? So we did not add anything manually. The delete button was given by Django REST Framework. Okay, so now we have taken this student ID S002, which is the second student. If I want to delete this one, or I will delete the third one, I'll see what is 4. Okay, test. I think I have 5. All right, I'll delete my 4th record. Okay, I'll delete my 4th record. Click on this delete, and it is asking us to confirm the delete operation. Now you click on the delete and you see http 204 no content, because this data has got deleted. Now if I if you run this get request, and you can see http 404 not found, because this object or this data is already deleted. All right, now from here also you can see 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 5 is there, but 4 is deleted. Okay, so that's how you do primary key based operations using Django REST Framework function based views.